Hi, let's continue to investigate our Symfony skeleton project. At first it would be great to refresh to our mind architecture scheme. All starts from the controller, so let's find it at project structure. Let's go to src folder, all source. Here you will find controller, and inside it you can find our search controller. Let's open it. Please take a look at current controller annotations. That is used by Nelmio bundle, which is able to read it properly and create ready documentation for our API. I will try to explain you briefly what we have here. We are saying that our API point is able to process all parameters that are defined by the search request view model. Let's go inside and see what we have here. That is different URL parameters, equal page, size, some n, which represents hotel name, c, that represents city name. We also have our coordinates, latitude, longitude, some hotel stars, 3 places are present, and some age. That is all familiar properties we already used in the second course section. Here I will open a coding slide in order you could see it again. So as you remember, we already used city name, hotel name, stars, age, few places at now, and we also used some coordinates for distance filter. Hope that you still remember all the things, as we are going to use it further, most of them. So let's return to our PHP storm. Let's close our request view. We also have another model, and it is called search response view. Here we are saying that our response would be represented as a list of simple search items. Let's have a look what is simple search item inside. So here it is simply name of the hotel and stars. So we are saying that after taking all that parameters that are defined via search request view, we will return the list of hotels, and for every hotel we will return the name of that hotel and the stars of current hotel. That would be our simple response view. There is another interesting thing here, that is operation with model annotation, and it is created by me. There is a little problem with using models at GET request. It is possible to use models for describing allowed input parameters while using POST method, but not with GET. Hard to say why it is done so at Nelmio bundle, but to preserve REST API consistency I prefer to have GET and still use the model. So to resolve the problem I created custom annotation, and it is called operation with parameters model. So here I am extending Nelmio bundle built-in operation annotation. I'm using different reflection class methods to perform a coding logic. So that is a little bonus from me. You can use such approach also at your projects. So what is for all those annotations? Please open our API doc page. As you see, our get API point was automatically recognized by Nelmio bundle. Moreover, if you will expand it, click on it, you will see the whole parameters that can be processed by our API point. You also can see how the response looks. Go down, here is our response. Moreover, we also can see how the response looks, and our models for response are looking inside. So you can expand all here. Our search response view, that is array of simple search items. And we also have a search item here inside. Wow, cool, isn't it? We have got clear documentation, and now any front-end developer is able to make integration with our microservice, as he knows exactly what parameters we expect and what the final response would be. Moreover, you can test the API directly. Simply go up, click at the try it out button. Here you can provide coding parameters, and for example, you can see the type of coding data, and if you will try to put wrong data, for example, with some error, then you will see that validation will work automatically. As you can see, we have to provide numbers here. I will put some values. And let's execute our query. Here you can see how the final GET request looks like and the results. In that case, we got nothing. The results are empty, but still we got positive response with code 200. And that is how a good API should look like from my point of view. So great, we already have a controller with a well-documented API. And in the next lecture we will speak about the builder pattern and DTO search criteria object. See you later.